Relying on traditional dishwasher pots loaded with harsh synthetic fragrances, toxic chemicals, or artificial dyes can leave chemical residues on your family forks and plates while irritating sensitive skin. Upgrading to these premium plant based dishwasher tablets provide an instant kitchen utility solution that aggressively blasts away dried on food grease without leaving behind toxic fumes or films. Specially engineered and advanced all-in-one formula, each concentrated tab contains built-in rinse aid and natural water softener to protect your glassware from hard water, spots, and cloudy film. It is an indispensable household utility and home organization upgrade that simplifies your daily kitchen routine while keeping your dishwasher completely sparkling clean, safe, and residue free.